Jiuberry Cooling Ace is marketed as a portable air conditioner that supposedly cools rooms quickly, lowers electricity costs, and delivers powerful cooling from a compact device. But the real question is this just the same product sold under a different name? Now, to be fair, rebranding is common. Many companies sell similar products under different names, and that alone does not automatically make something fake. What it does well: portable and lightweight. Small cooling devices are easy to move between rooms and workspaces. Uses less electricity than a full AC unit. Compact cooling products naturally consume less power. Where the concerns start appearing: it is likely not a true air conditioner. This is the biggest issue. Many cooling A-style products work more like fans or evaporative coolers than compressor-based AC systems. Many nearly identical products exist online. The same design frequently appears under different brand names. Room cooling claims can be unrealistic. Tiny devices generally cannot cool rooms like traditional AC units. So, is Jiuberry Cooling Ace the same product under another name? Short answer: possibly. Many portable cooling products use similar designs and may appear across multiple websites with different branding. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.